All right, here's what we're doing today. We're fixing a problem. That one right there. So, got this. I got two of these. These are SVR 10s, dual two. Got them real freaking cheap. As you can see, they're a little messed up. Someone just playing below tuning frequency, overpowering them. Not a good time. So, we're gonna fix the issue. Now, here's an idea that I have. I have these old DD audio. These are DD audio 3510s from 2014, I believe. I got these 3510s. I got replaced with baskets to go to 15s. I'm working on those. Those are ready to go in a box and go in my vehicle. But I have these old 10-inch baskets that came off of those motors. So I'm thinking, maybe it'll fit. Maybe it'll mount to the top plate. We'll see. But we're gonna work on getting this thing torn down first and go from there. So here we go. She was fried. Bottoming out. Oh yeah, bottoming out real hard. Okay, yep, that's overexertion, people. Tune your amps right. I want to get these bolts out and see if they'll match. They might match. Okay, all right, okay. All right, let me get my impact driver, see if I can get those out. How can I get the basket, which is metal, off of the top plate, which is magnetized? Oh, March of 2022. There it goes. Okay. Let's see. This was glued, looks like. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this will fit. Oh, damn it. No, it won't. I mean, I guess I could take off the top plate, modify it, and make it work. Do I want to do all that work? Do I want to do all that? I don't know. Maybe. That might make it for a good YouTube video. What do you guys think? I don't know. God, I have a drill press, so it's not like I wouldn't make straight holes. Ooh, God, that's tempting. Fuck it. Let's try it. Let's get the top plate off the motor. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Here, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and then we'll see about getting it matched up here, making a pilot hole, or at least an indent, hammer in an indent just so we can get the drill press lined up. So yeah, let's clean this up. And I am so happy, guys. I got a new air compressor, or a new used air compressor for 50 bucks. It's bigger than my old one. I got it for 50 bucks. All I needed was a $15 part, and it is so fucking quiet. It's amazing. It's a Cobalt Quiet Tech 26 gallon. I got it for 50 bucks. Invested less than 80. So much nicer than the Harbor Freight piece of junk. But anyway, you might hear it in the background, but it is so freaking quiet. I love it. But anyway, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. Yep, there it goes. Real quiet. Love it. Okay. Those look pretty centered to me, but let me get a ruler and we're gonna find out for sure. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that should work. It'll be really fucking close. Yeah, I think I can have a level of variance because of the spider landing and the surround landing. So I think we're gonna be okay. Let's notch these with a punch, and then they'll be ready to go in the drill press. Cool. All right, I don't have my drill press in here tonight, so we're gonna worry about that another day. But this is gonna work. This is gonna work. We're gonna turn this Skar into a DD. There'll be a Skar DX, a Skar DD. I don't know. We're gonna make it work. How about Strong Sounds SDR 10. Strong Sounds SDDR 10. That's what we're going with. Perfect. All right, so that's it for now. We're getting rid of this cheap stamped garbage. Probably see if I can try and salvage that ring. If it'll fit, it will not fit. This spider is much bigger. Yeah, now we're gonna ditch all this garbage, throw it away, maybe salvage these spring terminals. But yeah, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be fun. So Strong Sounds SDDR 10 works for me. All right, that's it for now. Take her easy.